Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to your boy's garage. A little bit of a sidetrack today. What happened?
I was vacuuming and I felt a puddle.
And now there's puddles all underneath, so what are we doing, Derek?
I'm gonna pull all the seats and the whole interior.
Yep, time I got this thing.
Do a star liner while we're at it.
Yes, no, maybe so. Okay, yeah. You can't fuck that up.
Hold it. Just 1, 2.
Yeah, I just... That's
Holy heavy.
Yeah, because of how wet it is.
Yep.
We got the interior fully gutted. Besides the dash, really don't want to mess with the dash. We got these propped up a little bit, and then we're going to put a dehumidifier. Try and get this dry as possible. It's not really far up too wet, but we're going to pull it in, fix the third brake light seal, and just wait until everything comes in and then put it all back together. These are the front and back mats. This is the front down here. It's like soaked. It is soaked. I don't know if you can see all the water.
Oh, tall.
I'm actually not going to double layer it. Seemed the new one's so thick I don't need to. So I ripped off all the old one as the best as I could. Now I'm just gonna install this like this. So we picked up the rubber molding for under the dash for Erica's truck. Didn't realize it was this big of a box. That's how to do it, right?
Exactly.
We got a million trucks and we choose the Speed 3. Alright. Erica got the headline all wrapped up. We just have it dangling. We'll finish that up once we get the carpet. Quick update, we gotta take apart the whole dash, get that rubber molding out. So, you excited, Derek?
No. Now's the time to change the soda, Erica. iPad Dash?
Yeah, I fucking should have.
It's not too late. You can order these on Amazon pretty quick.
They're not even crazy money anymore.
Nope.
It goes all the way up there.
Where did cotton that shit? That bit, one big wad and that's it. And
He's gonna fix my AK for me.
What's wrong?
Alright, sorry for the lack of updates. Was really just trying to focus on getting this thing done. Interior is fully together. Just got to do a quick cleanup. It got messy. Starlight's all hooked up. She did this all herself. All I did was route the fibers down and wired it in. But came out sweet. Oh, wrong button. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and share, subscribe for more as we got to put that thing back together. Peace.